A477 Sewards Bluff. We just acquired 2 properties on this street. It's been a successful floor plan and community for us. The entrance is through this side court. These are fake plants on the wall. The ones in the planters are real. Tile at the entry. We need 2.5-inch faux blinds plus a paper arch up there. That's $50 each for the arch. See what Jenny says about whether or not we should get sliders. Verticals for the slider, or if we should leave those. From what I can tell, these cabinets look good. A nice modern cabinet pulls. The exhaust fan doesn't appear to be working. Here, very minor issue. Light's not working in here. Okay. We have a space saver microwave installed already. That's a plus. We have granite. Carpet looks new. Laminate upstairs. Overall, from what I've seen, the paint is fine. It is very blue, but the condition seems to be fine. Change in tile here. We need a shower rod and the master closet. We have tile in this bathroom. Need a shower rod here. Nice toilet, granite sink. Granite counters. Everything looks good. Paint looks good, flooring looks good. Pretty straightforward. Okay. That's the property. And of course we have a skylight.